daddy's mistress, gonna buy back her forgiveness, pay off every witness. One more time down south, sell the family headstones, drag a bag of dry bones, make good all my back loans. So if I come to your door, let me sleep on your floor. I'll give you all I have and a little more. Sleep late down south, look up my former mentors, live off Yankee winters, be a landlord and a renter, create myself down south, impress all the women, pretend I'm Samuel Clemens, wear seersucker and white linens. So if I come to your